Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be playing some Swordigo and I'm currently in this right now. So I need to focus. Not like that, man. I need to focus like focus. I need to be serious. No! No, man. I'll get good, by the way. Please. Please be it, man. I wanna get good. Yes, that's clutch, man. But also, I did do it. Dude, let me heal, dude. And let me buy a potion. A healing potion. Because this is gonna get very hard. Or is it just me? 1 minute in. I need to hurry up. This is the dealer. Marketplace. Healing potion. Get me it. Let me have it. Okay, thank you. Get right back into the world and keep. I'm not gonna finish like an Indiana Jones. I'm not gonna find all the treasures, dude. But I'm going when I finish this. Or am I going to record it? I don't know, man. But I got Stickman Legacy after this. Come on, dude. Dude, this is gonna be a long... I hate this. I wasn't even in the fight yet, dude. Am I going... Why am I so struggled by this? Yes! Finally got that, dude. Come on. I'm not gonna use the potion yet. I heard that there is some boss fight. Yes, this is it. So I need to be careful. This might drop something, guys. This might be useful. Magic bolt. And then I'll keep running from the arrow, from the target. I'll break those ankles, man. Gonna break those ankles, bro. And you even don't got one, dude. I just like saying stuff that don't really relate to each other, like those. What do I call those? Those subjects are not related to each other, but I like to say it. Dude, where am I? Where am I? What is this? What is this? I don't know what is that. Oh, there's a spawn. No. Come on, dude. Okay. Come on, dude. Dude. This game just got even harder, man. I'll keep looking because there is some areas that I don't yet to explore yet in this map, this area. Dude, let me jump. I keep clicking the jump button, but I don't. I don't know why is that. Come on, dude. I'm kinda cooking in there, dude. I'm dodging in something. Yes. I'll keep looking because there's another way. But I don't know. Where is it? Yes, there's another way. Oh, I can't do that. Apparently I can't do that. How do I do this? Oh no. I don't know how to do it. One dude hit me. I don't know what that path leads to, but I'm gonna continue my way in. Goodbye. Thank you for the shards, by the way. I'm gonna keep my magic bolt on standby because this is gonna get me through this. Well, I just need the perfect timing for this, man. No! No! No, I was there. I was there, dude. Why does this game keep adding up to my problems, man? Come on, dude. I hate this. Dude. What am I doing wrong in here? I'm sprinting and jumping. Dude! Why am I not getting any progress yet, dude? I even started the game, dude, before recording. Not at the main menu. Oh, come on, please, dude. Somebody in my comments said I will get good at this game, but I don't. I don't know why, man. But thank you for the encouraging. That is not a lie, that is encouraging. But I also have a skill issue, man. And how do I do this, man? I can't do this. I still don't know what to do on this. Oh, there's some area to that. Okay, I'm gonna be finding a way to that. Come on, dude. I just need it. Just need to find a way. I might beat this off camera, guys. I can't keep doing all of this. It's crazy. Oh, what the? This is the one. Sprint, dude. Is sprint. Run, dude. Run. What are you doing? I'm gonna be waiting, dude. What am I doing, bro? I just need the dimensional rift just to do all of this, man. Okay, there's something wrong. Oh, there's a bug. Wait, let me quit the menu. Okay. There's something there, man. I don't know what it is. Yes, I can fight back, man. I don't know, man, about this. I don't know about this, man. Jump me, dude. Jump me to that. Jump me. Dude, help me. But that's alright, guys. See you in the next one, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and God bless you all. This is just a